friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies, and I'm really excited to share with you this collection of 3 little mini dolls. They're going to be the first members of a collection that I'm working on, and these will all be free patterns on my blog. So if you want to make them, it won't cost you a dime, just go ahead and start. All of these little dolls have a special feature in that they're able to sit on their own and support their own body weight. So they make great little desk buddies. And I also think they work really well as gifts and as cute little keychains if you want to add a keychain to them. Really quickly, this here is the little Lucy doll. Here is the tiny Teddy, and this is the Petite Panda. So stay tuned. I will have video tutorials up for the little Lucy doll and for the Petite Panda. And if you'd like to support me by buying the PDF pattern, which is ad-free and also is beautifully formatted, I would like to say. And I put a lot of effort into making it really nice and print friendly. So if you want to support me and get that, I would greatly appreciate it. Otherwise, check out the free patterns on my blog. All right, and each of these dolls will have their own little pattern previews, so stay tuned for those. Check them out on my channel if you'd like to see details and features about each of these little individual projects. All right, thanks so much for watching and hope you have a wonderful time crocheting. Bye now.